So just lay it out there. Is graphene oxide in these shots?
100% it is, and it's irrefutable. And I'll walk you through it. So I read the patent to look for graphene oxide. It is not listed in the patent because it is a trade secret. So you remember Bill Gates saying that there was a trade secret?
Yes.
Trade secrets are not, purview to the public, so they cannot be in the patent. But I'm still going to show you evidence that these contain graphene oxide, and the patent in China that shows they contain graphene oxide. That's not possible with this round. They rushed this thing out. They're just seeing, how much they can put into people before they die, I think, honestly. We're supposed to get boosters every 6 months. So we're going to get graphene oxide boosters every 6 months to see how much we can build up in the system. They perfect this technology. I think there's a second plan. The graphene oxide is that it's 4,000 times stronger than titanium and can withstand 1700 degree Fahrenheit temperature. So what that means is that graphene can be a conductor of electricity. Graphene gets a positive charge. It annihilates anything it comes in contact with. Right now, they're not charged. They're neutralized. You're like, well, how does it have a positive charge to get into the cell? That's that other lipid, that ionizable lipid that gives it the positive charge for cell penetration. But these currently are not, they're neutral. They have a neutral field. But if there is an electromagnetic field that activates a positive charge, potentially there will be damage and potentially death depending on where these nanoparticles ended up in people's bodies and how much of them did.
Why are they using this graphene oxide? It's a toxic substance. It's poisonous.
Because it's a great conductor of electricity, and it can host a magnetic field. So it can connect you to the internet. That's why. But there is such brainwashing going on, such control of what basically the big tech wanted us to know as the truth, which was a bunch of lies, that it's very difficult then for when someone says to you, this is what's going on, to believe it. I would compare it to anyone that's been in a marriage where they had a spouse that was cheating on them. Your friends can tell you they're cheating. There's tons of evidence, but you are not going to believe it. You're not going to believe all your trusted advisors have been telling you this stuff is safe. Everything on the media says it's safe, and then someone says, no, it's actually lethal.